With a modern, sleek, Italian design, this made-in-Turkey freestanding electric cooker from Super General brings you the joy of healthy, homemade meals for the whole family. Made of stainless steel, the oven comes in a semi-glossy white color that matches the black tinted glass door of the burner perfectly. Stylish push-button knobs with temperature markers and icon indicators at the top add to the unique design. The oven door is equipped with a 57 cm sturdy and durable handle that allows for easy opening and closing. For full safety, hot plates allow you to prepare multiple dishes at the same time. The powder-coated hot plates lid is easy to clean and also serves as splash protector when cooking. The thermostat control allows the oven and grill temperature to be set and maintained as required. This modern and stylish cooker comes with a silver wire rack and black baking tray. Ideal for baking delicious and crisp food items, the oven is also equipped with a practical grill function. Sear or grill to perfection and enjoy restaurant-style food at the comfort of your home. Technology, aesthetics, and simplicity has been integrated in this made-in-Turkey Super General model to bring the joy of healthy, homemade meals for the whole family. Enjoy super taste with Super General.